Here are 10 accessories to take your GoPro Hero 12 or any other GoPro to the next level. So to help organize this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 must-have accessories for every single GoPro user, and then 5 must-have accessories for specific activities. Okay, and the first thing that every single person needs to do if you have a GoPro right now is you need to go buy some screen protectors. They literally cost $6, and I have dropped my GoPro so many times and cracked screen protectors. So guys, come on, $6, link in the description. You can go buy yourself a $6 screen protector. The second thing you're going to need is a selfie stick, and here I have 3 recommendations. First, you can get the GoPro 3-Way 2.0. This is super nice because you can extend this arm out and capture, a nice selfie, or you could open up this tripod and use it as like a mini tripod. There's a lot of capabilities with this 3-Way 2.0 from GoPro. Next, if you do a lot of water sports, I'd get this one because it floats and it can go around your arm and strap in, and it's just super nice for water sports. Or my preferred one is this Telesin one, which has a built-in battery bank that you can use to charge your phone, or it'll keep your GoPro completely charged, and you can take the GoPro battery out so it won't overheat if you do have problems with overheating. And it also extends really nice and long so you can get those big long selfies. Super nice. And again, you could get all 3 of these if you do every single one of these activities, but this is a must-have accessory that I think everyone needs, is some sort of selfie stick. All right, and before we move on, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, I post videos about GoPro almost every single week, and I would absolutely love it if you joined the JM Tech community. I'd really appreciate it. Now, another thing you're gonna need is some extra batteries, and here we have 2 options from, again, Telesin. There's this one right here, which is a battery bank. It has a built-in battery bank, plus it comes with a battery and will charge your original battery up here in the top, which is super cool. It gives you an LED status to let you know which ones are charged, which ones aren't, and it has a nice button on it to turn it on. Plus, of course, there is a nice port selection to charge up your devices and to charge this, which is all, again, super cool. Or if you just want something to charge up your GoPro batteries, then you can get this one. It charges up to 3 batteries and will give you the status of each battery, which is so much better than GoPro's options, which are available, but I would highly recommend these from Telesin. And again, all these products are gonna be linked down below in the description, so make sure you go check them out there because you will be getting a discount. Next, I would say everyone needs a clip mount. These are super nice because if you're going, like, for instance, right here, I can just snap this on my shirt, or you could just snap this on your hat. There's so many places that you can put this clip mount, and I think everyone should have one because they're so cheap and they just make it so you can put your GoPro in a lot more places. So the clip mount is definitely going to be a must-have. And finally, I would say you're going to need a GoPro chest mount. This one is amazing. I love it. I've used it a lot and it really works well. Or if you don't like something being strapped to your chest, you can get this Telesin one, which is like a neck brace. It just goes around your neck. You pop it in and boom, now you can put your GoPro here. They also have a phone mount included, so you can put your phone on here as well, which is super cool. And yeah, I really like this neck mount from Telesin. And now we come to the 5 must-have accessories for specific uses. So the first one is the suction cup mount, and this is perfect for someone who maybe wants to put this on the hood of a car, or just wants to put this on a flat surface and want it to stick there, because the GoPro obviously does not do that, and you don't want to put one of those adhesive pads. This is perfect, and I really like this one. It feels super high quality. There's these different attachments, so you can go directly to a GoPro, or you can go to a quarter 20, whatever you want. It's super nice. Next up, we have the GoPro Max Lens Mod and Max Lens Mod 2.0. This is perfect for someone who wants to get a little bit more field of view, and they don't want to have that crazy distortion of like hyper view. Okay, and I'm just filming on the GoPro Max Lens Mod 1.0, just to give you a little feel of how this looks. And just remember, the Max Lens Mod 2.0 goes up to 177 degrees of field of view, way wider than this, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, these Max Lens Mods are super cool from GoPro, and if you're that person, then definitely go pick one up. Now, if you want to get that really cool motion blur, maybe you put your camera down near the ground while you're skateboarding or something like that, then I would get these ND filters from Concepts. They just screw on the front, replacing that lens guard. They're super cool because it makes your shutter speed lower, making the shot feel like you're going faster. However, if you do put your GoPro somewhere where you cannot control it, but you want to be able to stop and start recording it, then I would get this remote. It's called the GoPro remote, and it is really good. It works. It's solid. I don't really know what else there is to say about it. It's just a good product. And finally, we come to my favorite gadget. Let's say you want to go in the ocean and get one of those crazy shots that look like this. Well, this Telesin dome is exactly what you're gonna need to do. You put your GoPro in here, and it basically puts the water line outside so you can get both the underwater and the above water in focus and just get those insane shots. Again, you have to be someone that goes in the water, but this is super cool. So I hope you got some good information on the best GoPro Hero 12 accessories. Make sure you use those links down in the description below.